This is AWR Microwave Office series for beginners. In this video, we will learn about voltage controlled current sources and try to understand its working using AWR simulations. So let's get started. In the first step of this video, we are going to create the schematic. To do that, first we'll open AWR design environment. Now to create a new schematic, we'll just select Circuit Schematic from the project window, right click and click over New Schematic button. Here we are going to name it Voltage Controlled Current Source _ circuit and then click over Create button. Let's maximize it, and here we are going to place couple of components. Let's start with Voltage Controlled Current Source. To do that, we'll press Ctrl L on our keyboard and just type Voltage Controlled Current Source. We'll select this one and click over OK button. Now here we'll just click over this zoom fit. We are going to disable few parameters. To do that, we'll just double click here and just disable or hide phase offset, break frequency and time delay and click over OK button. In the next step, as we did with other dependent sources, we are going to decide the value of R1 and R2 to make it ideal. In this case, you can simply see we want R1, which is a voltage control side. So we want the R1 shouldn't affect the value or the voltage of control variable. That means R1 should be open circuit or infinite. Similarly, at the output variable side, we want R2 to infinite or open circuit. So there will be no leakage current flowing through terminal 3 and 4. Now to do that, we'll see how we can make it infinite. So simply we have to set both of these variables to 0 ohm to make it open circuit. So as you can see here, we already have its value. Next we are going to make the circuit as you can see on your screen. Now as soon as the schematic is ready, just make sure you have connected the correct terminal. So this should be the positive and this should be the negative terminal. So one should be connected to the positive of control variable, and the terminal 2 of control variable should be connected to the negative side. Now here the value of multiplier is 0.05. So make sure you have set that value here and let's place it somewhere closer to that. And make sure the value of output variable, so positive and negative or the direction of current flow, should be correct. Now in the next step, we are going to add annotation. To do that, we'll just select the schematic, right click and click over add annotation. We are going to add annotation for all the current values as well as all the node voltages. Click on apply and OK. And at last, we are going to run the simulation. Alright, so here we can clearly see the value of R1 and R2 are infinite because there is no current flow is happening here. And you can simply match these values with your calculated values. So that's it for voltage controlled current source. Next we are going to save this project. To do that, we'll just click over this file, go to save project, and we are going to save it on desktop. Let's name it voltage controlled current source and click over save button. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.emaeda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.